Namaste and welcome to our channel where we bring you the best of travel experiences from around the world. Today, we are going to take you on a virtual journey across India to explore some of the best places to visit in May. So sit back, relax and get ready to be amazed by the 30 best places to travel in India in May. Let's go. Tawang. Are you searching for a tranquil escape in the hills of Arunachal Pradesh? Look no further than Tawang. Nestled at an altitude of 3,048 meters amidst the majestic Himalayas, Tawang boasts stunning scenery, waterfalls, and spiritual significance. The town is famous for its many Buddhist monasteries, which attract visitors from all over the world. Don't miss the opportunity to hike the breathtaking Gorichan Peak, which provides stunning views of the town. But Tawang isn't just about stunning scenery. The town is home to many glacial lakes, including Sangetsar and Sela, which offer crystal clear waters. For those seeking peace and solitude, a visit to the Taksang Gompe, a pilgrimage site surrounded by mountains and trees, is a must. March to September is the ideal time to visit Tawang for a peaceful retreat. However, if you're looking for an adventure, head to Tawang in the winter months, when you can experience thrilling skiing opportunities. And if you're visiting Tawang in February and March, don't miss the Losar festival, which is celebrated at the Tawang monastery. Whether you are seeking natural beauty, cultural exploration, or adventure, Tawang has it all. Don't miss out on this hidden gem in the hills of Arunachal Pradesh. 2. Chikmagalur. Chikmagalur, also known as the coffee land of Karnataka, is a tranquil city nestled amidst the majestic Mullayangiri ranges. The city was named as the Young Daughter's Town, as it was presented as dowry to the younger daughter of the chief of Sakrepatna, Rukmangada. And today, it is one of the most popular spots for nature enthusiasts, trekkers, thrill seekers, and explorers. The city is home to numerous temples like the Sharadamba Temple, Vidyashankara Temple, Kodanda Ramaswamy Temple, and Amteshwar Temple, adding to the grandeur of the vicinity and attracting devotees from far and wide to offer their prayers. Chikmagalur stands at an elevation of 3,400 feet, and is covered with eye-catching tea and coffee plantations, making it a major commercial hub of the state, and a popular tourist destination that entices visitors from all over the world to experience the unique joy of walking through the plantations. But that's not all. Chikmagalur offers a range of adventure activities that will satiate your inner thrill seeker. Don't miss out on the famous waterfalls like Jhari Waterfalls, Hanumangundi Waterfalls, Shankar Falls, and Kadambi Falls that will leave you spellbound with their scenic beauty. For those looking to escape the monotony of city life, Chikmagalur is the perfect destination to immerse yourself in the flora and fauna. Be sure to carry your camera along to capture pictures of the incredible wildlife you'll encounter. Whether you are seeking an adventure or simply looking to unwind, Chikmagalur is the perfect destination for you. So pack your bags and head to the coffee land of Karnataka for an unforgettable experience. 3. Munnar. Munnar, the idyllic hill station nestled in the western Ghats of Kerala, is a nature lover's paradise. It's an oasis of tranquility and natural beauty that never fails to impress visitors. Munnar is famous for its endless tea estates, which paint the hillsides in shades of green. The aroma of freshly brewed tea leaves fills the air, transporting you to a different world. What makes Munnar even more beautiful are the three rivers that flow through the town, Matupeti, Periyavaru, and Nalathani. The gushing sound of water and the stunning valleys and hills create a symphony of nature that's hard to ignore. Munnar is also home to some of the endangered species of animals like Nilgiri tahar and Neelakurinji. The Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary is another attraction that nature enthusiasts should not miss. Atukad Waterfall is a pristine waterfall located in Munnar, which offers a perfect romantic escape. Its picturesque beauty is sure to leave you spellbound. Munnar is also a popular destination for adventure seekers. Trekking and camping are two of the most popular activities that you must try during your visit to Munnar. Iravikulam National Park is another must-visit destination, where you can take a safari tour to see exotic species of animals and birds. Staying in a tree house is a surreal experience that you should not miss in Munnar. The view of the lush green valleys and hills from your tree house is sure to take your breath away. The best time to visit Munnar is between March to September when the weather stays pleasant. So, plan your trip to Munnar and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. 4. Mount Abu. Welcome to Mount Abu, the only hill station of Rajasthan, India. This beautiful city located on a high rocky plateau is a perfect destination for adventure and sightseeing. Today, we are going to explore the enchanting beauty of this city. The city of Mount Abu is adorned by lush green forests and architectural marvels of ancient forts and havelis. The craftsmanship and artistic features of these structures are truly mesmerizing. Amidst the enchanting surroundings, the locals are friendly and life is very calm here. Mount Abu is home to various entrancing landmarks. Nekki Lake, with its beautiful reflection of the starry sky, and Dilwara Jain Temple, with its flawless ornamental carvings, are just a few examples. Other serene spots like Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary, Peace Park, Guru Shikhar Peak, Sunset Point, Abu Road, Traverse Tank, and Toad Rock are also worth visiting. For adrenaline junkies, Mount Abu is a haven. You can try your hands on a number of adventures here, like camping below the starry nights around a boat in Nekki Lake. This beautiful city offers some of the best adrenaline-rushing activities. The climate of Mount Abu remains comparatively colder than the other parts of the state. Being a hill station in Rajasthan, Mount Abu experiences some hot days, but the average annual temperature here stays around 20 degrees Celsius and can fluctuate with the change in seasons. So, what are you waiting for? Come and explore the enchanting beauty of Mount Abu. 5. Shillong. Welcome to the magical land of Meghalaya, a place where clouds form an abode over rolling hills and tall pine trees dance in the breeze. This small state of India is a geography synonymous to heaven, a painting hung on your drawing room wall, a collage of memories yet to be lived. Meghalaya is a mystique land perched on an escarpment that will leave your imagination spellbound. The capital city of the state, Shillong, is a perfect blend of old charm and fresh essence. This bliss of solitude carries a number of things like falls, parks, peaks, landscapes and museums to keep a traveler's head tossing in sprightly dance. With the best places to visit in Shillong, this surprising holiday destination will make you forget to stop the shutters of your camera. The God's honest harvest is ready to find a space among the favorites in your travel diary. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Meghalaya. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. And keep watching the space for part 3.